everyone. This is the instructional unit that I have designed. The instructional design is based around in explaining Newton's laws of motion to uh, students who are aged 12 to 14 years old. Because that's the age when they are usually curious to learn about physics, but they don't have any credible source or any instructional material to actually learn more about them. This instructional unit gives them a pathway to learn about all their topics related to physics, and they can be sure about uh, learning all things related to it. And coming to the modules, we have four modules. This is the introductory introduction module, where they get a brief idea about what they're gonna learn. It contains theoretical information about Newton and what led to him discovering these laws of motion. And here is some explanation about why these laws are so important, and how are they relevant in our everyday lives. Here is the list of modules. So module 1 is about inertia, uh, module 2 is about force, and module 3 is about action and reaction. uh, so module 1 is the law of inertia. So this contains explanation and images related to the first law of motion. So the design process is briefly about uh, it really focuses on backward design, which focuses on what is the end product of it, and designing it according to the end goal. So I first identified the learning objectives, so what I wanted students to know and to be able to do them by the end of the unit. And next, I designed assessments aligned with those objectives in mind. I also kept multimedia learning theory in mind, and guided the students uh, with the integration of videos, images, and text. For example, I used Mayer's principles such as coherence and contiguity to reduce the cognitive load, and this ensured that all multimedia elements were purposeful. They are clearly labeled and closely aligned with the explanation in the text. And finally, used I used a theory called universal design for learning, which shaped the accessibility of the content. I incorporated multiple means of representation, which are visuals, narration, and examples, which we're gonna see shortly. And coming to the multimedia components, I included images of which are relevant to the laws. So for example, in the law of force, we uh, explain what's happening, and we also display an image which describes that particular situation. It These blend of images and text really help the student understand. So here is an example of force. We are explaining something, and the image is also helping us visualize the text in mind. So additional to the images, we also have videos which explain these laws in detail. Here is an animated video from YouTube, and here is another video that is created by the user. So So here is the assessment module. At the end of each module there is an assessment at the bottom, which tests the user based on what they have learned in the overall in the overall module. And um, it also is the questions are cleverly crafted so that they cover all the bases, and like uh, they give an overall idea about what the student have learned so far. And um, if at all the student answers them incorrectly, they can like they can reattempt it again, and they can understand the law better. So at the end of the instructional unit, we also have a feedback module, which basically gives the creator an idea about how they created the module, and if they created it according to all the users tastes, or it really makes them understand about the areas that they need to improve, and um, so that they can create better modules in the future. Yeah, thank you.